Is 8:47. We have a weather impact alert for this Saturday morning. Nicole, we saw a lot of rain overnight and the system continues into this morning.
Yes, we picked up a lot of rain overnight already, but this is really just the start of a little bit more of an enhanced flood risk, as well as our threat, a low threat for severe weather during the day today. The rain has really focused on the same locations throughout the last 12 hours or so. Really northwest of I-85, that's where rain has been persistent and at times very heavy. So down towards the south and east of the city, a lot of people have stayed nearly completely dry. Right now, a lot of that rain, again, still focusing north and west of the city. So we've got pockets of heavier rain that have started to mix in. There are a few rumbles of thunder, strikes of lightning here and there. Through Metro Atlanta within the perimeter, most of what we're seeing is just kind of a light drizzle, more associated with fog than anything else. As you go down I-20 towards Douglasville, some pockets of heavier rain there, and then up towards the north into portions of far north Fulton County, up towards Roswell, Alpharetta, Milton. That's where we have some of the heavier rain as well. As you go west into portions of Bartow County as well as Cherokee County, we've got some heavy rain that's currently moving towards Cartersville, and then a big cluster of heavy rain up into the northwestern corner of the state as well as out towards Helen. Now, like I said, a lot of these showers and storms so far have kind of behaved. We're seeing pockets of heavier rain. We're seeing some gustier winds kind of embedded within, but we've only had the one severe thunderstorm warning so far. A lot of activity though out towards the west where widespread lightning, thunder, as well as severe thunderstorm warnings extend through portions of Alabama. So this is all the rain that's headed our way during the day today. Things are really just getting started across North Georgia. It's all associated with this cold front. This is supplying us with the lift, the instability to really elevate not only our risk for some rainfall, but also that severe weather threat. So there is a tornado watch that extends through Mississippi as well as Alabama, comes right up to the state line and does include some of our far western counties. I'll show you that watch in just a second. Overall, severe weather threat is going to be highest down towards the southwest of Atlanta. So as you get out towards the west, closer to the Alabama state line, we've got that level 2 risk for severe weather. The rest of us seeing that level 1 threat. So we're going to be on the lookout for isolated storms that could bring not only heavy rainfall, but also some strong, potentially even damaging winds. Our tornado risk overall is very low, but it's not zero. And here are the counties that are going to be under a tornado watch until 11 o'clock this morning. So it extends right along the Alabama-Georgia border from Polk and Floyd counties down through Heard County, and then also includes Cleburne and Randolph counties in Alabama. That's where the environment, the atmosphere, a little more conducive for rotation. Now, any brief spin-ups that we do get, any tornado warnings would likely be brief and weak, but could still lead to damage. And we've had a number of locations already when it comes to flooding, as well as even some trees down that we've seen across Pickens County and then also into Polk County. And that's where the heaviest rain has fallen. Our rain totals there, where you see that swath of purples and reds, are upwards of 2 to 3 inches. And we're seeing widespread totals already just from the last 12 hours of about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall northwest of I-85. We've still got multiple hours of rain ahead of us. We could pick up an additional 2 to 3 inches in some of those locations, so a flood watch will remain in effect throughout this evening. The National Weather Service has extended that flood watch to now include portions of Metro Atlanta, including Fulton as well as DeKalb counties. So just be really cautious, especially around those typical low-lying flood-prone spots surrounding streams as well as creeks. And keep in mind that because of runoff, even once the rain ends later today, we could still see some additional swelling of streams and creeks. So here's how it plays out hour by hour on our forecast track. That cluster of rain northwest of 85 is going to start slowly spreading down towards the southeast as our cold front approaches. So it'll start to push into Metro Atlanta, likely by about lunchtime, sink further down towards the southeast, prompting, again, areas of very heavy rainfall and that low risk for severe weather. By about 4 or 5 o'clock tonight, the main line of storms is down towards our south, but some rain might linger even into this afternoon and evening. We will slowly start to dry out as we make our way into Saturday night and tomorrow morning. We are left with sunshine to end out the weekend, but much colder air. We'll wake up to 30s and low 40s tomorrow morning. We stay chilly to kick off the week with high temperatures only getting up into the upper 40s and the low 50s. And we'll be streaming on 11 Alive Plus throughout the day today. You can download the 11 Alive Plus app and stream Weather Impact 24/7 for free anytime. Stick around, we'll be right back.